Good morning, everyone. This is Sean. Welcome to V10 World. It is bright and early Wednesday morning. I just dropped little Sean. We call him Deuce, by the way, because he's a second. Just dropped him off at school, and I am headed to the exhaust shop because it is that time. It is time for the S8 to be quiet no more. So, again, I love the growl of this Lamborghini Gallardo 5.2 liter V10 engine. However, it doesn't really start to growl until it gets up into the upper RPM range. In fact, quick story, the first time that I ever saw one, I heard it first. And I just heard it go by and I wondered, wow, what is that making all of that noise? And it was an S8, and of course it had the V10 engine in it, and it sounded mean going by. And it was stock, it didn't have anything done to it. Or, I mean, I couldn't tell, but it didn't look as if it had any work done to it. It just sounded really, really good. So, you know, I went home and I looked it up and I was like, oh, that has a V10 engine in it. Yeah, I kind of like that. So yeah, that was the first time that I saw an S8. Love the way it sounds. Love the way mine sounds. However, it's just a little too quiet. I'd like it to be a little deeper, a little throatier, I guess, for lack of a better word. And also, I think that when Audi put this engine in the car, as a means of detuning it, the exhaust system isn't exactly race spec, because it's a luxury sedan. So people, I guess the market that they went after, no one wants to hear the car inside of the cockpit, and they really don't want a loud car either. So again, I'm not going for anything loud, no backfires, no popping, nothing sounding like it's, you know, a bazooka cannon. I just want a nice, deep, throaty sound. So anyway, we're on the way to the exhaust shop. Let's get going and let's see what they can do for us. Made it here to the exhaust shop. Maynard's Mufflers. These guys do really good work. They work on several race cars. The owner, well, there's the sign, but of course it's backwards because you're looking at me. But the owner is a Pontiac guy, which makes him cool right away. He's got two Pontiac GTOs, both of them 1968s. Both of them track cars. One of them is his toy car. The other one is the real deal. I believe it's a low 9-second car. The other one is an 11-second car. So the S8 is up on the rack. They're about to start cutting, and I can't wait to see even better yet, hear how it turns out. So unfortunately, I didn't get any pictures or video of the S8 when it was on the lift being worked on, but it's all done now, and it sounds great. When you accelerate, the sound in the cockpit is just wonderful. Let's see what we have here. I don't know if you can hear that, but man, does that sound wonderful. We'll park this thing. We'll put the camera in the back. We'll get some video. Hopefully the sound will translate onto the camera. And I'll also do some drive-bys later. And I'll compare them before and after so you can see the difference, how it sounds without the, or stock, and then with the 4 resonator bypass and the X-pipe install. So yeah, pretty happy. S8 sounds great. Maynard's took care of us, so if you need some exhaust work done, go to Maynard's. Tell him that Sean sent you, V10 World, and he'll definitely hook you up. Also tell him if you tell him you're a Pontiac guy, and even better yet, tell him you have a GTO. He'll definitely take care of you. So all right, we're going to go down the road a little bit further here. I'll set up the camera in the back, and then we'll do some exhaust shots.